Jeep is paying tribute to the Magic City of Miami with two 305 edition models based on the Wrangler and Gladiator. Debuting at the Miami Auto Show this weekend, the two models are named after the 305 area code of Florida's biggest city. They are limited to 305 units, 255 Wranglers and 50 Gladiators, and specifically target local consumers. Exclusively available in two so-called Miami colors, bright white or pung orange metallic, the special edition Wrangler and Gladiator are based on the Sport S trim level and can be fitted with an array of Jeep performance parts from Mopa.